Rappalapatel, 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 super Rakesh parapatel. I'm cutting gains with super Rakesh parapatel. Rappalapatel, parapatel, parapatel. Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Rakesh Rappalapatel. So today we're going to learn how to use Google. So very often you want to know stuff, but you don't know it, and you want to know it, and nobody's around you know it, and still you want to know it. So what do? Very simple, my friend. You go to Google and you ask your question. So we're going to learn it. So safely and carefully use the mat to drag it on the bottom dog bar and click on the Safari icon. Click it. And then we're going to click on the Google icon. So this is the J with red, yellow, green, blue and a white background. So to be more precise, this is not this one, 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 this is this one. So click it. And that's it. Now you want Google. So now you can type stuff here. You can type it, the research, and then you can click on Google search and you get so many results. For example, how to be rich, my friend. You want to be successful in life, don't you? So click it, and that's it. You got so many tricks, all the tricks you want to get it on Google. But don't be fooled. The best tricks channel is my channel, Rakesh Rappalapatel. But anyway, you can be how to be successful in life with ladies. And that's it. So Google will sometime correct you when you misspell words. It's so convenient, it's so powerful, it's so great. You have so many. And also, when you type something, you need to know that, for example, let's start with why. People actually typed that before. And because people typed it before, it's still in the Google search. So, for example, why do I? And that's it. So you can say, why do we? Why do my? Oh my god, people have some hurtful boobs apparently. You can search so many things. This is so great. But don't forget to search for me also, my friend. And that's it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for a new episode to learn how living new helpful tricks and beautiful tricks and business tricks. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Rappalapatel, 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 super Rakesh parapatel. I'm cutting gains with super Rakesh parapatel. Rappalapatel, parapatel, parapatel.